Yo guys, Jason here, and we have migrated to the great outdoors for this video, but this is going to be a fun one because today I'm going to be showing you how to get incredible pictures out of your smartphone camera like this, and this. So these tips on how to get great pictures out of your smartphone camera cover how to get a good picture to begin with, and then how to edit that picture so it becomes even more aesthetic. So starting with the first category, the first tip is to use Pro Mode on your camera or download a camera app with manual controls. The main thing manual controls offer is the ability to adjust the ISO, which you want to try to bring down as low as possible for every picture you take to make the picture much nicer looking. Sometimes, especially in dark environments, this will cause handheld pictures to be super blurry because the camera is compensating for the low ISO with a slower shutter speed, but using a tripod with a 2-second timer on the camera will help keep everything steady so you can get a nice stable shot. Tip number 2 is just to frame the photo nicely. This is super basic, I know, but it's probably the most important part of taking aesthetic pictures. Use interesting lighting, like having the sun backlight a portrait so you get a glowing outline around your subject. Use the rule of thirds, and just look for interesting things to take pictures of and try to take the pictures in the most unique way. Tip number 3 is Afterfocus. This is a free Android app that basically lets you blur out the background of photos to make them look like they are taken on a professional camera. This app does take some time to get used to, and getting perfect results does take some effort, but when done right, the results are stunning. Take a look at these shots with and without the app. Last but not least, and I know 4 tips is kind of a weird and incomplete number, but I just wanted to narrow these down to the essentials. So with that, tip number 4 is Lightrooming. Lightroom is a free editing app that packs a ton of features. This is the second most important tip on the list because a lot of the time smartphone pictures look bland because they lack the punch of color, detail, and dramaticness that a nice camera will give you. That's where Lightroom comes in really handy. I actually made 2 different videos dedicated to editing with Lightroom, so check those out, but I just want to name a few Lightroom features that are especially relevant to smartphone photography. The Sharpness tab is great for sharpening up photos. Noise and color noise reduction work great for reducing noise caused by the small aperture of smartphone cameras, and split toning and clarity are great for adding a colorful punch to your photos. That's basically it for this video, but I do want to give a huge shout out to the company Tonor for sending out this microphone so I could shoot outside. This microphone has an incredible wireless range of about 150 feet, a nice soft metal body that's comfortable to hold, and it comes with batteries included and a rechargeable adapter. The sound quality is amazing also, as you could probably tell at the beginning of this video. Hey, thanks for checking out this 60 Sec Tech video, and if you did enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button right below this video, and maybe hit that bell icon if you want to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this kind of content and maybe want to help support the channel, definitely share this video or drop me a follow on Instagram or Twitter. Until next time, I'm Jason, this is 60 Sec Tech, and I will see you in the next video.